YouTube, what's happening? This your boy Swipe, back with another vlog, you know what I'm saying? Get straight to the chase. So, we got the transmission back home, you feel me? We're gonna change out this torque converter tomorrow. He said the transmission was filled with metal shavings and all that because it ain't had no magnet at the bottom of the pan. So make sure when y'all get another transmission, y'all make sure y'all got a magnet at the bottom of y'all pan. I feel like they should have known to do that. But anyway, you know what I'm saying? It's back. So I'm just doing a little quick update on the truck. We're gonna get this transmission in tomorrow. So we're gonna be outside working tomorrow on gang. Gotta bring the truck back. But yeah, so y'all stay tuned, you feel me? We on the way. What's going on, YouTube? This your boy Swipe, and we put the transmission in the truck right now. Get straight to it, man. Went about the new torque converter. Hot 135 or 140. That motherfucker. Got the other transmission redone, rebuilt. I ain't up on it up, but oh shit.
You online?
Nah.
Oh, I'm about to say, I don't want to be online, bro.
Yeah, nah.
I can't be online.
No. Dropping these exhaust bolts down right quick.
You talking to homeboy?
Yeah. So we can put this transmission in. One of these.
Yes, sir. I got one in my bag.
You got one in your bag?
Yeah.
I appreciate that.
Chevrolet boot.
That motherfucker fucked up.
With a Chevrolet boot, man.
That been fucked up.
Fucked up, bro. That's why you need.
All right, y'all. So we at a stopping point for today. We'll go up on the hill. So y'all, we got the transmission up. It's up there. I think I need a motor mount. One of my motor mounts bad, cause the shit is, the motor feel kind of loose a little bit. But anyway, we got it up. So tomorrow we're gonna be skating. We back. Yes, sir. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all stay on. We'll catch y'all back on in the morning. But I ain't know we was gonna have to drop this the Cadillac converter, like the little exhaust system. I ain't know we was gonna have to drop that, but the first people who took it out, they dropped it without taking that down. I don't know how, but yeah. We about to be back rolling, man. I missed the hell out of my truck, I ain't gonna lie. We coming. You said hook the battery up, put it in neutral?
Yeah, just put it in.
All right. Let's see. Oh my God. It's thirsty.
I got another job to go do.
Got that bit on, huh? Yes, sir. We done pulled it up. I'm about to take it for the first test drive right quick. Let's see what's going on. But it's running. So, all right. So we done drove it to the gas station. And just test driving it. Like, it ride good. Come around. Act like it got like a small exhaust leak maybe, but that bit ride good as fuck though. I get this exhaust leak shit. Oh yeah, I just put $5 in here too. I'm just playing. Crazy. Huh? Tell you what I have it. Man, them motherfucker, I just put a transmission inside of it.
I know that was some corn.
Yeah. Little something. Not the 20 in here, man.
What is this? Chevrolet or what?
It's a Tahoe.
Tahoe.
Yeah.
Where y'all finna take? The car show?
Now, I'm test driving it.
Yeah.
We just put the transmission in.
Okay.
Yeah, I had to get it rebuilt.
That thing look good.
Appreciate that.
Alright.
I need to get the inside of my pipes cleaned out. My shit been sitting. But don't worry about it. It's getting detailed though, off the rip. You know that. But Tahoe back rolling, man. We got some upgrades coming for it. Hope y'all ready. Got some new shit coming. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, throw $20 in here. Yeah. So, about to do another little test drive, see what's going on. So, we at the spray wash, man. We about to spray it off. Let's see. Car wash is going up, too. I don't know if y'all realize it. That shit going up. God. This shit's not the same no more. Let me get the damn washer in my hand. Sprayer. And we're gonna put it on soap. We'll get this started. There we go. Spraying out water right now. You know this soap shit gotta build up. There it goes. There it goes. It's getting detailed tomorrow, but it's been sitting in the yard, bro. So I just wanna, you know, get it decent. Look decent. I miss driving my truck like a motherfucker, dog. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Just driving the hell out of my truck. It feels so good to jump in that big end. Like, I ain't gonna count. I think I might have been a little depressed when I ain't have my goddamn truck. Just a little bit though. It wasn't tearing me up too bad, but it was depressing enough. Yeah. But yeah, we got some more stuff coming for the truck, man. Some little upgrades. I'm gonna be vlogging, you know what I'm saying? So y'all stay tuned. It's coming. There's a lot of shit. But a lot of stuff. That shit was dirty. And the damn wire keep getting in the way. That bit was dirty. It had spider webs and all type of shit. Alright. Had to charge the AC up in it to down drive it. AC was down, Freon done leaked out, and I got a new condenser already. I don't know what's going on with that. We're gonna figure that out too though. But I fixed the exhaust leak, the manifolds from the, hold on, put it down, put it in here. The exhaust that connects to the manifolds right there had a, the bolt needed to be tightened. So it was giving that little small exhaust leak from earlier, but it's gone now. Damn, I just put a quarter in that motherfucker. Alright, bro, not real. Yeah. That's a good enough wrench. So now I'm gonna pull it forward and talk more. Alright, so we done pulled it out now. The rinse ain't really clean the wheels like that. You see a little dirt spot there? It's crazy. But ain't see a little, that's crazy. Anyway, man, the truck back rolling, man. We back going. Now I can start back doing more vlogs on my truck and buying more stuff for it instead of focusing on this transmission issue that I had. But yeah, it's it. But we're gonna end the vlog right here. Shit, we got the truck back going. You know what I'm saying? Shit, that's all that matters really. So shit, we you know, we're back rolling, back skating on the foes. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna end the vlog off right here before it start raining. Thank y'all for stopping by. The channel is growing, by the way, y'all. Appreciate y'all, everybody that's stopping by. Appreciate everybody that dropped the likes and comments on my videos. Like, that shit mean a lot. We trying to get to 1,000 subs. We at 700 right now. You know what I'm saying? Thanks to y'all. Appreciate that. But yeah, make sure y'all, you know, like, comment, subscribe, dislike, shit. You know what I'm saying? And I'm in the vlog off right here. So, Life is Swipe, out of here. And make sure y'all follow me on all social medias.